If you do get a radio from us, you not only get the radio, but you get all this value after the sale, the education, which is, in my opinion, the most important thing. So what good's a radio if you don't know how to use it? Hey, this is Ron, KC0QVT with BridgeCom Systems, and I'm here with a new customer of ours that just joined the DMR community and the BridgeCom community. And if you don't mind, what's your name and your call sign?
Hi, I'm Don, WB4, Uniform Bravo Kilo.
Nice to meet you, Don. Listen, I just wanted to let community know that you picked up an 878 UV2 Plus, and I was intrigued to hear what you had to say about the post-sale education that you've got. And if you wouldn't mind just a moment just to share, what your experience been thus far with the BridgeCom University and all the videos and stuff.
I went ahead and chose BridgeCom because of the fact I've seen so many of the advertisements. I figured they seem to be the leader in the group and everything. By the time I got back to my room, I went ahead and had emails that had links to go ahead, get into BridgeCom University, saw some of the videos. My question was, how many people at BridgeCom have their doctorate in education? The videos are that good. They explain things. I knew nothing about talk groups, zones, anything like that. By watching these, I found out it was very easy to learn, easily explained.
That's awesome. Well, by the way, nobody's got a PhD or a doctorate in education. We got a PhD in ham radio, engineering, all kinds of technical disciplines, but more importantly, we are trying to provide a lot of value. So if you do get a radio from us, you not only get the radio, but you get all this value after the sale, the education, which is, in my opinion, the most important thing. So what good's a radio if you don't know how to use it? So best of luck in your journeys in DMR, my friend. It's glad to have you on the team.
Okay, thank you very much. I look forward to talking to you.
Yeah, 7-3. Thanks, Don.